Next, we will be looking at the conduit wiring system, which has come to become one of the most used wiring systems for housings and for industries at large. In this system, the PVC or the VIR cables run through metallic or PVC pipes. First is, what is a PVC pipe? It's a polyvinyl chloride pipe that the wire runs through to prevent it from being on the surface. Even if it is on the surface, the PVC wires are run through the wall linings so that the wires run through them and it prevents shock or any other thing from getting to the wire. They are either embedded inside the walls or supported over the walls and are known as concealed wiring or surface conduit wiring. It is either the PVC pipes are run through the wall from the inside and the wires run through the PVC pipes in the wall, or it is run on the surface. So the one that runs on the surface is called the surface conduit wiring, while the one that runs through the walls of the building is called the PVC, the polyvinyl chloride wall wiring system for the conduit wiring system. Now, the system is best suited for public buildings, industries, and workshops, like I have stated. The picture we're looking at is a picture of a PVC conduit wiring system, where you can see the PVC pipe running through the wall, clips to the wall, and the wires, both live and negative, run through the PVC wire. Now, what are the advantages of the PVC or the conduit wiring system? First and foremost, no risk of fire and good protection against mechanical injury, due to the fact that the wires are run through a pipe or through a surface pipe protection. Now it has reduced the level of shock or mechanical injury to a minimal level. Secondly, we have the lead and return wires can be carried in the same tube. Now, the PVC or the conduit wiring system allows us to run both live and negative wire through the same pipe, and this still avoids the bridging of both wires, which is a very, very good advantage of the conduit wiring system. Earthing and continuity is assured, for the mere fact that this PVC wire is polyvinyl protected is used to do the earthing for the live and the neutral wire. So this method of house wiring helps you to have perfect earthing for a wiring system of a building. 4. Waterproof and troubleshooting is easy. Now, the PVC, the polyvinyl chloride casing, protects this wire from dampness, chemical reactions, or what have we. It is a very important advantage of the conduit wiring system. 5. Shockproof with proper earthing and bonding. For the mere fact that the PVC wire, the wire runs through the PVC casing, it protects and prevents shock. Now, the risk of shock is reduced to a very, very minimal level. We can say at this level of conduit wiring that we have zero shock level to maintain. Durable and maintenance free. Now, the PVC or the conduit wiring system is totally maintenance free. It is a one-off thing. Once you use it to wire a building, there is no need for maintenance. And in case of any problem, or there's a wire burn somewhere, it can be easily be traced out because it's already in the casing and you can always know the junction or the joint from which the circuit is broken. Lastly, it is aesthetic in appearance. It has the most wonderful appearance. It removes all wires that will be dangling around your walls and gives the house a very, very fine fitting. What are the disadvantages of the conduit wiring system? 1. It is cost efficient. Quite expensive, but very, very durable. Quite expensive, but very, very durable. Now, secondly, it requires skilled labor to run. You need somebody with the required skills who knows the required standard of wires to run through a PVC or a conduit wiring system to run your wiring system for you. 3. Erection is quite complicated and it's time consuming because you have to pick your junctions, you have to pick your points. So if you get somebody who is not skilled and he doesn't know at what junction he's supposed to have a bend or a cut, it might lead to wrong wiring of the house, and it will affect one of the factors of wiring a house, which is safety. Lastly is the risk of short circuit under wet conditions due to condensation of water tubes. Now, since these PVC pipes are going to be running through the walls where the water pipes that bring water to the house run through, there is a very possible risk of getting dampness or water come in contact with the wires. If at all anywhere in the PVC pipe is broken, this water can get in through it and affect the circuit of the house. Thank you very much. With this, I have come to the conclusion of this session. I hope you join me on the next session where we will be looking at the accessory devices for the proper wiring of a house.